Hi, I'm Dr. Lauren Pruner with Foot and Ankle Associates of North Texas, and today I'm going to be showing you how to apply a gels dancer's pad directly to your foot and different kinds of ways that your doctor may want you to use them. All right, so these dancer's pads is what they're also called, or also just an offloading pad. There's different terms for these as well, but the difference to the regular offloading pad is you have this little cutout right here. That's to target specific metatarsals or bones on the bottom of your foot that's causing you pain. Now, a traditional dancer's pad is called that because dancers tend to beat up the big toe joint pretty frequently, and so they'll wear this device. Again, you never want to place something where it goes right over the front of your foot here. A little exception, some people do find that more comfortable, but if you're wondering why you're not feeling any relief and you're doing this, that's your answer as to why you're not getting the relief. It's actually more of a rotation down to where you're going to be shifting the pressure from the front to the bottom of the foot right here, okay? And this is silicone. You can reuse it by washing it with soap and water. You can get a couple of months, if not 6 months use out of these, depending on how well you care for them. But that's one way to do it. There's another way to do it, and that's if I switch my foot over here, okay, to where I take this dancer's pad and I make it into a reverse dancer's pad, where I would place it, not again on the tops of the foot right here, but I rotate down to the fifth toe right here, because a lot of times if you have a bunionette, you can get a little callus that forms on the bottom right here, or maybe just generalized pain from that bunionette. And this little guy here not only can offload and protect you from having pain in that general location, but also if you do have a callus and you're trying to get treatment for it, this will offload enough to where the pressure that your body is using to create that callus will be decreased, and maybe we can get it gone for good. If you have any questions about how to apply any of these devices, you can give us a call at Foot and Ankle Associates of North Texas, or if you're in the Dallas area, go ahead and schedule an appointment with us today and we can take care of all of your needs.